Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to never miss out on any more videos in the future. Today, we have a really fun video. I am doing my roundup of spring lippies. I love lipstick and lip products. I have a lot, like way too many. Like I shouldn't have as many. I have an obsession. I love just buying and collecting them. It's my thing. So today I decided that I just wanted to talk to you guys about, lipstick trends and colors that are in for spring. That frickin' rhymed. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I rummaged through my collection to find, colors that are spring appropriate, even though the weather is not spring appropriate. So yeah, if you're looking for some spring inspiration, look no further because it is here. Let's head straight to this video. Okay. Okay, so basically I researched online like a good YouTuber and found like key trends and key trendy colors. So basically a lot of things change during the spring and summer each year. There's like a variety. I don't find that it changes a lot during fall and winter, but during the spring and the summer I do find that there are new things every year. And this year, I mean, it's not something like super revolutionary, like wow, completely new, but it is something pretty cool. The basic like trendy looks are bold statements, so making a bold statement with your lips, a bold color. But also on the other end of the spectrum, I'm sorry, I don't know how to say that word. We have like blotted lips or like blurry lips around the edges, so lips that are a little bit messy, not super defined, like stained. That is also a look for the spring and summer. And then there's also like that barely there, very natural, my lips but better color type of look that is also very in for this season. So yeah, those are like the three key like trendy looks that I found. A lot of people are talking about those, and I think they look amazing and they're totally appropriate. So yeah, those are the ones that we're going to be focusing on. And yeah, now I can move on to like the trendy colors. So basically trend colors, pastels are always like a spring trend. But this year more than ever before. I don't know why, I really don't, but pastels all throughout makeup, but also for the lips, I think would be super cool, and it would be a super easy way to just incorporate a little bit of color and fun into the looks. Also, purple is the color of the year, ultraviolet, so purple lips are definitely a bold statement, could also be pastel, and they're the color of the year, so you're basically trendy. Really trendy if you wear like purple lips. Cherry red is another trendy color for the spring, but I have found that, like very vibrant reds and orangey reds are always trendy during this time of year. So yeah, this is also a cool color trend. A new one is terracotta. I don't know if it's like completely new, but I usually wear terracotta-y like brownie colors during the fall and winter, but terracotta, man, it's making a comeback during the spring and summer, and I really love that color. It's one of my favorite colors to wear. It can also be a bold statement, so check that trend off the list, and it is a beautiful color. It's very easy to wear and you can find it everywhere. Peach is also, a very spring summer vibrant color, and it is one of my favorite colors to wear. So yeah, peach can also be pastel, but it can also be a bold statement, so it's a little bit of everything around here, and I think it's an amazing color for spring. Bright pink is also a great color for the spring and summer. Well, mostly spring, we're talking about spring right now, but it's a very easy way to just add color into your looks without it being super hard, and it looks bold, and it can also be toned down, which I love. So I think it's a very versatile color, and it's very trendy for spring. And then last, this isn't really a color, but like glossy natural look finish. Like very natural glosses I think are also really good, like super clean, keeping it clean on the face, I think that's another super cool like product. It's not a color, but I don't know what else to call it, so I just included it here. Now it's time to move into like the actual lip products. I have them in this little thing right here that I don't know where I found it, but it's super cute. So yeah, where shall we start? let's just do this. Okay, so first things first, for like a pastel option and also a purple option, I have the OCC lip tar in Posier. I think this was like limited edition a few years ago. I bought it at Urban Outfitters. But I'm pretty sure I saw it online the other day, so I think you can still get this one. And basically, this is a pastel-y purple, but it's very wearable in my opinion because it's a little bit of grayish. It's a little bit grayish. I don't know what I'm saying, sorry. So I think it is super easy to wear because it's purple, but it's not like boom, you know, like bright purple. Like I can't wear this purple. And it's also pastel, which, I mean, it looks super cool on the lips. I think it's very unique. It's very spring, so I approve of this color. Also in the pastel realm, but also peach, I have the Dose of Colors lipstick in Sorbet, and it smells amazing, first of all. It smells beautiful, and this is like a corally peach, so it's not like just peach. It is amazing. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. The formula is very easy to wear. It's very easy to mix with other colors to make them a little more pastel. It can be a little bit hard to wear on its own, but I really, really love the color. I think it screams spring, you know, like it is a spring color, and I am all over that. Next, moving on to a bold color, a statement lip. We have that ready cherry red thing with the Sleek Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and these are super comfortable. Sleek is available in the UK or Europe. I think it's available in Europe, and it's also available in the US, so it's more accessible now. And these matte lip creams are very comfortable to wear. This color is Rioja Red, and I love it. It's super springy. It's that cherry red color, and it looks beautiful on the lips. I really, really, really love it. I think it's amazing. And it is very affordable as well, so I think, yeah, this color, super trendy for spring. Next, I have my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick in Gingerbread Gingerbread Man. And this was limited edition for Christmas. It's my favorite terracotta lipstick. It smells amazing, but unfortunately, I don't think you can get this anymore. I just wanted to feature this because it is the exact like terracotta color that people are talking about. So I just wanted to let you guys know what the color looks like, but there are a lot of people coming out with this color since it is very trendy for spring. So don't worry about that because you will definitely find a terracotta lipstick because they're very trendy. I just said that. So don't worry about this being limited edition. And if you own this, doesn't it smell amazing? I think I just got it all over my nose. Another peachy color. This is like peachy pinky, so it can be like either of the like trends. I have my Bare Minerals liquid lipstick. I don't know what the name of this is, and it's in Weekend. It's matte, and this color is very, very pretty. It is peachy. It also smells really great. It is peachy, but it pulls more pink on me. And I think it is a very, very easy way to just wear a trend without it being super noticeable. You know, this is more on the nude side, so you can definitely use it on a daily basis. It's very easy to pair with other looks, and it isn't intimidating at all. So I think if you are not super into color and being bold with trends, something like this will really help you just feel a little bit more spring without looking crazy, you know. If you want to look crazy, that's awesome, but if you want to look, you know, put together and still trendy, then definitely I would recommend something like this color because it's very, very easy to wear. Now I have two pink lipsticks, and one of them is like super bright. The other one is also bright, but it is more for that blotted trend. So the first one I have here is Pink Novo, I don't know how you say that, from MAC. This is an oldie but a goodie. Like, oh my god. Also love how these smell. And this is just a super like blue based pink, and it looks amazing. It makes my lips look huge, and I love that. I don't know if I've featured this before when I talk about spring makeup because it is very spring to me. What I love about this the most is that it's blue toned. So even though it's super bright, I still find it to be wearable. I can wear it with other looks, or I love how it looks just by itself, like a little bit of mascara, a little bit of brow, a little bit on the face, and then this, wow. It's a standout, and I really, really like this color. It is definitely bold, so it checks that trend, but it's amazing. Check it out. And the other one I have is also very bright, but it depends on how much you build it up, and this is my ColourPop Blotted Lip in Sucker. These are amazing because, as I mentioned previously, you can build them up, but they never look super opaque. They will always look like a stain. They will always look like you blotted your lips. So yeah, that definitely, you know, counts as the blotted lip trend because these are exactly that. But I love the fact that it's pink. They have a lot of different colors, but I just thought I could kill two birds with one stone and mention this as a bright pink color and as a blotted lip trend. So I really, really like this. I find it super easy to wear. It's easy to apply. You don't have to worry about it, but it's still, you know, it gives you like that spring vibe because it's a little bit more bright and it's super like cute, and I feel amazing. Wow, the sun just came out. And then last but not least, I have a gloss, and this is the TG or TIGI. I don't know. I think it's TG, and this is a Luxe lip gloss in Knockout. This is huge. I just got this like a few days ago for my birthday. Somebody gave it to me, and I have never tried anything by this brand before. I've heard of them, but I've never tried anything, so I was a little skeptical, but this is amazing. I've been wearing it a lot since I got it, and it also smells really good. What I love about this is that it looks super peachy on the tube, right? It looks like it's gonna be amazingly peach, which could be really good if you're going for a peach look, but this is very sheer. So it's kind of like My Lips but better type of sheer, and it just gives me a super natural hydrated look without giving me a lot of color, and I think that is, you know, part of that like super natural, barely there trend. And I really, really like this one because it isn't sticky. It doesn't look like a gloss on your lips. Obviously it makes them look glossy, but it doesn't look goopy. So I really, really like how this looks. And I think it fits in perfectly with that spring trend color, and you could put it on top of any like peachy lipstick to make it even more peachy. So I think it has a lot of, you know, purposes when it comes to spring lip trendy things. I'm sorry, I don't know how to speak, but yeah, this is also really good, and it is the last product I am talking about today. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really, really hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite spring lippies are, like lipsticks, lip glosses, you know, whatever. What lipsticks are you pulling out for spring? What trends are you really into for the spring as well? It can be makeup or it can be clothes. I don't care. Just let me know. I'd love to know what you think. If there are any other videos you want me to film or you feel like you want to see from me, also let me know. I'd love to film what you guys want to see. And other than that, we are done here for today. I will see you in my next video. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.